Hello, in this video, you will learn how to combine two Boolean expressions into one larger Boolean expression, and the example that we use today will be the use of a password verification scheme, just like you would see in the website. So we'll go ahead and create a new class. New Java class. We'll call this Boolean class. Here we go. So first thing we always want to do is make a comment in class. And then since this is going to be an executable, we're going to go ahead and write our static void main method. And then we're going to go ahead and make a comment and method main. So here we're going to simulate the user input for the username and the password by creating two new local variables. String username equals new string Sam semicolon, always terminate a statement with a semicolon. And then we're also going to create a new variable named the password. Alright, so now we're going to create our Boolean expression. Remember, Boolean expression has a comparison or a relational operator in the middle of it for primitives. And then for strings, the dot equals method in the string class. So here we go. We're going to use the dot equals method for the string class. Notice that that's one Boolean expression. Now we're going to string together the other Boolean expression by using the additional operators. Here we go. This is a primitive. It's an integer, so we're going to use this. So now we're going to combine them together with these parentheses. Okay, so here is one Boolean expression right here, and here's the second one. And we're going to combine these two. So this might evaluate to a true or false. This second Boolean expression will also evaluate to a true or false. And then we're going to combine those two Booleans with the and or the ampersand operator. And this will say true and false or true and true, depending on what the results of these relational operators and these Boolean expressions end up to be. So here we go. So if this entire Boolean expression evaluates and ends up being a true condition, then we're going to print out username and password accepted, and then semicolon. Now, if one of these evaluate to be false, so for this entire Boolean expression to be true, each one of these single Boolean expression in here must be true, because this entire thing will only be true if this is true and true. If this is true and false, it will be false, and it will be another statement down here. Username or password does not match. And there we go. Now we're going to run it. Again, we're going to customize or build that XML file to run the Boolean class. Great. Now we're going to build it. And we're going to run it. Now it's going to package up the build files, send it over into the cloud to one of the machines, set it up, and then execute the program. Here we go. The output is username and password is accepted. That means that this Boolean expression here evaluates to true, and so does this. Now let's take a look at what happens if one of these evaluates to be false instead. So we're going to go ahead and change this to Sammy. Then we're going to rerun it now. So in this instance, this single Boolean expression here will evaluate to false. This one will still evaluate. This one right here, the second one, will still evaluate true. However, false and true will result in this entire Boolean expression being false. So right here, notice the output when we run it again. Now username or password does not match. And that's correct. This is the false condition. And there you have it. That is the Boolean, multiple Boolean expressions that are being combined into a larger Boolean expression.